cop don't donut all in the way. I don't know which one that one is. That piston, that's 7.
This one?
Nah, the one we just pulled out 7.
Yeah, this is 8, 7, 4.
Alright. Just pulled three pistons out. Man, I still ain't upload the other video.
No.
Dang.
Alright, we're gonna get the pull and see if we can at least get the crank turn since we got those 2 pistons that are already kind of stuck.
Yeah. You want me to get
I'm not sure if those are stuck.
Pulley?
Yeah.
Is that on the one that's open for the inside bolts? Golly.
Caps.
Oh, we got 3 pistons out. I ain't gonna hit me in the face with it.
Oh, you gotta be shitting me.
I told them probably the ones that stuck to it.
You turn the crank down, number 7.
Yeah.
I mean, look at, oh yeah, look at number 7's piston. Feel it right here too. Come rub your finger out.
Oh,
Yep,
yeah.
feel it. So your connector rod is gonna have to be done. Or you just gonna get new ones. Oh yeah, look up top here. It's even
Yeah,
worse.
the other one. Yeah.
Yeah. See how that big thick lip right there? On the actual piston cap?
Mm-hmm.
So your cap's gone too.
Oh well.
I mean, you clean them up, but I wouldn't trust it. How did this one look in the walls?
Good, I told you.
It feels fine.
And pistons kind of sliding around the out of that jump. I tried to full send all of them. Yes, sir.
Crank looks good. For the most part.
Man, forget that crank. You change all the bearings, put it all back together and full send it. Let me lift this up. Oh, there you go. It's coming out now, boss. Oh, the piston still attached.
Yeah.
Oh, well, we can turn it now.
Turn it though. I have to get them out. Here.
We can turn it now. Talking much, but yeah. I tried to full send it. Well, I ain't tried to full send it. It just happened on its own.
Let's see.
What? Well. Oh.
Make sure where this one went.
Crankshaft still look good though.
Yeah, crankshaft look good.
Broads, change bearings and caps.
Damn, you can turn just.
My bad. I'm sorry, boss.
Jeez. Nah, it ain't going, is it?
Nope. Oh, you want to play funny block?
There she go. She died right when she broke loose, too.
Yeah, she died right
Last
down
bolt.
in there.
That damn crank's sharp as hell, son. I charge for bloody knuckles.
Yeah. I got you, boss. How much you want?
Oh, there's something wrong. That piston right there messed up. She was sitting cockeyed.
Fuck it. Full send too.
How the hell was she sitting cockeyed? I don't know how she was pinched. No,
Probably because I was just moving it. Probably how I moved it.
Maybe. Alright, there's one piston left in it. That's number 1. Caps right here for it.
That's a boss.
but that ring is gone. She my greatest fan, play this song, she sing along.